Hey everyone, welcome back. Hope you're having a great day. It's Monday today. The market is all red right now, which isn't good. It looks like we're kind of in this accumulation phase right now. So why don't we get into the charts? And it kind of looks like what we were talking about earlier, yesterday possibly happening. So right now, Bitcoin is at 44,599. It's testing our kind of support line that we had here at the 44,700 mark. It looks like it's below it a little bit right now, but it has bounced off of it a couple times. So if it doesn't close today above it, we may see it go down to maybe test the 200-day moving average, which is right at 41,000 right now, 41,400. If it fails that, then we're obviously going back to our support here at 38,000, and then possibly continuing our rally up if that happens. So not good news, but it's not bad news either. It's kind of like this, we're in this kind of like bleh moment right now, where there's not much going on in the market. Everything's kind of trading sideways a little bit. To me, it just looks like accumulation phase right now. So we'll see. Let's take a look at Ethereum here. So Ethereum is at 3,231 right now. It is bouncing off of the 50-day moving average right now. You can see right here, the green line. And it has bounced off of it once, twice now. It's kind of come down a little bit here. And then it's also testing our resistance here, which was at $3,330. It's broken above it, but it's obviously come back down. So we'll have to keep an eye on this one as well. As you can see, we're kind of trading sideways, and it's almost kind of like a wedge pattern here that's forming a little bit. So it might take a couple of days for that wedge to be broken through. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. Our side is still relatively low. So like I said, this looks like an accumulation phase for everything right now. Nothing to really panic about, but something to be mindful of, that we may come back down. Obviously right now it looks like the 50-day moving average is the price to hold. If it holds, we'll be in good shape. If it falls below it, then we're looking at possibly 3,000 on Ethereum as the support. Obviously we're trying to break the resistance here at 33.38. So we'll keep an eye on that one. Let's take a look at Cardano here. Cardano is also bouncing off of our support here, which is at $2.37 roughly. That's where I place the line here. And it is bouncing between that and our 20-day moving average. It has hit the 20-day moving average at 258 and fell back down, and it's battling with the support here. RSI is nicely down, so we'll have to keep an eye on this one as well. Again, accumulation phase looks like here, trading sideways, not much action going on. Let's take a look at Litecoin. Litecoin it's battling with the 200-day moving average. It is at 175 right now, battling with the 200-day moving average and the 20-day moving average. So you can see it's bouncing between those two lines right here. So as those two lines get closer in, I think we're going to have a curl effect where it'll bounce out of it, hopefully in the next couple of days, to possibly by the end of this week. Dogecoin is also bouncing off of the 200-day moving average, which is at 2278. We are at 2365 right now on Dogecoin. We're also looking to have the 20-day and the 50-day moving averages cross, which typically isn't a good sign. You always want those to be separated, but if you have that cross, we may be in this for a little bit until we bounce up again. So something to be mindful of. Keep an eye on that one as well. Then we got Stellar here. Stellar is bouncing. I created this line a day or two ago for our support, it looks like. So that's at 31.79, I think, it's at 31.66 is our support line. And we're kind of bouncing off it. So the probability always is the more times it touches it, it may fall through it. So we got to be mindful of that as well. But it's going up to our, 50-day moving average? Oh no, that's the 200-day moving average that it's bouncing off of. So we got a bunch of lines. We got the 50-day, 200-day, and the 20-day, and it's just right bouncing between those right there, you can see. So not much action, trading sideways as well. We had a nice little wick here a couple of days ago where it tried to get above it, and it just wasn't able to. So take a look at Solana here really quick. Solana, we said yesterday that I was thinking that was a little bit overvalued, that it could use a little bit further price correction, possibly going down to the 20-day moving average, and it looks like it's trying to do that right now. I mean, you're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days where it's been red. It's coming back down. The RSI is coming back down as well, below the 70, which is good. So I wouldn't be surprised if we come back down to test the 20-day or the 50-day moving averages, which would be $100, and Solana is right now at 158. So there's nothing pointing in the upward direction. We don't have any supports other than maybe, well, we might have a support here at 146, it looks like, if it does happen where we went above it. So we'll keep an eye on that one. And then obviously today's Monday, so we got the mining stocks as well. Everything right now. Hive, there's some Hive news. I'll talk to you guys about that one later on in another video. But Hive is at basically flat right now, pre-market. Bitfarms is up actually 8 cents pre-market. Hut 8 is up 10 cents pre-market. And Marathon is down 56 cents pre-market. And then Riot is down 52 cents as well in the pre-market. So yeah, red today. So everything's in the red today. We'll have to keep an eye on it, obviously, see how things go during the week. But I'm happy to see that Solana is pulling back down. We got a little bit of correction going on. I'd like to see it come down a little bit more to possibly the 20-day moving averages and maybe even the 50-day averages before it continues its way up. But yeah, market is down. Everything is down right now in crypto. We'll have to keep an eye on. We got some stories we will cover in the next video. So that's it. Hope this kind of helps you guys out. If you like this stuff, please subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then.